What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, coming to you with another video. Got a lot going on in the lab. I'm gonna do a little bit of organizing, remodel, get rid of a bunch of stuff. All those cabinets are about to go. Get me a big toolbox. Get rid of all the trash and things and just all the knickknacks over all the years. This is gonna get real cleaned up. We'll do a video before and after as I get this thing in order. But for now, look, I made my little makeshift little stand here. I got a system going in a ski boat, and I just want to show y'all how when you do work mobilely, I don't have the ski boat here. I'm gonna go to the customer's house tomorrow, but I'm going to show y'all where I can prep everything. And so when I get out there, it won't take me that long to install. So we got a bunch of kicker gear, subwoofer, 6x9s, 6.5s. We got JVC radio. We got a 5-channel amp. We got a box. Let's start putting this amp rack together, get the radio pre-wired, so then we can go out to the ski boat tomorrow and knock it out. So stay with your boy and let's get it. All right, y'all. The first thing I prepped was the radio. I got my harness all tied in with some extended wires, speaker wires for the front and rear. I paired the fronts together and then paired the rears together, kind of marked them at the end so I know which is what. Got my power and ground wire that's going to go to the battery. That's paired up together. And then my turn on. So once I get in there, I know where, once I mount my amp, I can run that to there. And then the accessory wire. So this way, when I get to the boat, I don't have to fuss around with this part. It's already done. Just mount the radio, run my wires to where they gotta go, and then keep it moving. So next up is the amplifier rack. We're gonna prep that, get that all buttoned up, and then put the sub in there, and then yeah, just keep it pushing. And I'll show how I install everything when I get there. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm all done with the prep work. I went a little overboard earlier. I ran these speaker wires to the radio harness and didn't need that. This harness is just for power, ground, and your turn on accessory, but then the speakers are actually going to the amplifier. So I made a mistake earlier, so if y'all caught that in the video, you'll see that even players mess up. But anyway, everything's all prepped. We're loading up the truck, and then we're gonna go head out and take care of this ski boat. But as you can see, I got most of my work done. I just gotta mount everything and then run the wires to where they gotta go. And it shouldn't take as long. It's about a 45-minute drive. So I'm gonna head out there now, and then you guys tag along, and we'll see how we get this ski boat done right before the 4th of July. All right, let's get it. And just like that, y'all, we're all done. 5-channel audio control, epic amplifier. We got a radio, JVC. There'll be some covers made later. Cover up these. There's a 10-inch woofer down behind there, 6.5-inch in the front, left and right, and then 6x9 in the rear. Again, it makes it a lot easier when you prep down your bench in your garage or your shop, and then come out to the customer's garage and do it in their garage. Everything's good to go. Stay tuned for more from AO Designs. Anthony Lyons, your boy. Let's get it.